Hi friends, welcome to MK Softech. This is Mahesh Kumar. In this video, we are going to learn about declaration of variable. Okay, let's start the session. So firstly, what is variable? Before session, we discussed about what is variable and the rules of the variable. So once again, I am explaining. A variable is a memory location which is used to store a data value. Okay, so here int is a data type and a is an variable, and also here I am initializing a value a equal to 10. Okay, and after that rules. Firstly, the length of the character must be 31 below, and variables can have numbers and digits and also characters, and no space is allowed between two words like apple space banana. It is conclude that two words. If you represent an underscore between two words, we can it will take as only one word. Okay, starting must be characters only, not a digits. If we mention digits, it can throws an error. It is not taking as a variable. If we write a variable first, means if we write a and character first, after that you can write any digits, it will taken as a word. Okay, and underscore is not allowed at the end of the word. Okay, it is allowed at the starting but not end. So here variable declaration. So what is variable declaration? Defining the variable to solve the particular task. Okay, types of declaration. There are four types of variable declarations are there. One is single variable declaration, second one is single variable declaration and assigning, and third one is multivariable declaration, fourth one multivariable declaration and assigning the value to a variable. Okay, so firstly we discuss one by one. What is single declaration? Means single variable declaration. Defining the single variable to solve a particular task or program. Means firstly we have to define a variable, and after that we should perform a task. Okay, so here the syntax is data type and variable. So in data type is nothing but int, float, char, string, like that, and variable is nothing but means it is a name, like a, b, c, anything you can take variable is. And because it is user defined, it is not a user defined, it is predefined, it is user defined. Okay, and int roll number, float average, char option, these are the user made and this is predefined. Okay, if we write here, actually it is a name as integer, but if we write directly integer, it will throw an error. So the shortcutly it will taken as int float, but you can write integer integer. If you write like that, it will throw an error. Okay, by theoretically we can explain like int, not a int, it is explained as integer, but if we write in a program it will taken as int. Okay, and also float means floating point, character, like that. Here program. So here we know hash include stdio.h is nothing but linked section, and after that we are declaring data type and main section. Here I am declaring a single variable int a, but I am not assigning. Okay, printf value of a is %d. Why we take as %d? Why not %f, %c? Because here we taken as int. Okay, here we taken as int. So that's why int belongs to the %d. Float belongs to the %f. Character belongs to the %c. Like that. Okay. So the output is we are not assigning any value to a variable, so that's why it will taken as by default value is 0. Okay, so second one is single variable declaration and assigning. So the single variable declaration and assigning is nothing but the defining the single variable and assigning the value to a particular, to solve a particular task. Okay, so the syntax is data type, variable, operator and value. So here data type is nothing but int, variable is nothing but, here we write and written as roll number, operator means assignment operator, assigning, we are assigning the value. So equal to value means 543, I am taken as roll number 543. After that float, you can take anything. Okay, any data type. And program, this is the linked section and this is main section, and here we assigning a value to a variable as 10. Okay, so I am printing. In before case we got a 0 because we didn't assigning any value, but here we are assigning a 10 to a variable a, so that's why we got a value 10. If you write here 100, 1000, anything, that value printed here. Okay, multivariable declaration, defining the multivariables to solve the particular task or program. Means in these two cases, means first case and second case, we are declaring only single variable, but in this third and fourth we are declaring multivariables. Okay, and third one is so multivariable declaration. The syntax is data type variable 1, separator variable 2, up to so on variable n. Okay, so here some example is int abc. There are three variables, means we can take multiple variables, that's why I am taking three variables. Okay, float, char, like that, and after the program hash include stdio.h, int main, int abc, print a, print b, print c. So here I didn't assigning any value to a particular variable, but I want to know the value of a particular variable. Okay, so here I got an output as a is 0, b is 1, c is 0. Okay, so the value of a is by default is 0, the value of b is by default 1, the value of c is by default 0. Okay, so suppose if you want to here the output is confusing, I want to print one step by step, like a is 0, b is 1, and step by, so we can write like escape character slash n, then you got a step by step. Slash n is nothing but new line, it will goes to next line. Okay, so I'm executing the code. Here you see a is 0, b is 1, and c is 0. Okay, by default it taken as like that. And after that, multivariable declaration and assigning. So defining the multivariables and assigning value to solve the particular task or program. Okay, so here data type variable 1, operator, value, suboperator, variable 2, operator, like that. So this is the syntax we have written as the example. Int is a data type, a is a variable, equal to is an operator, 1 is a value, comma is a separator, like that. It will take an as syntax like that after we've written a program. So here we are assigning the values. Okay, a is 1, b is 2, c is 3. So this value we are going to print. You see here a is 1, b is 2, c is 3. So I want to write line by line. Okay, that's why I want to mention escape character slash n. Here you see a is 1, b is 2, c is 3. Okay, this is how we write a code like that. Okay, a is 1, b is 2, and c is 3. Okay, so friends, this is our today's session. So please like the video, subscribe the video. If you have any doubts, please comment below, and thank you.